Alright, I've had my car for a few years now, and it's been doing a lot of carpool duty. Let me show you something you want to think about for all you new Model 3 owners, because the Model 3 is not dissimilar to the S. Notice how much wider the car is in the back. Now consider where the seats are compared to where the sill is, right? So you're actually sitting all the way down in here. You can kind of see it on this model. Again, the 3, very similar. Now, why that is important is because you have a lot of kids in your marching band, soccer, whatever carpools, and they're all got these huge backpacks. And when they get in the car, they're wearing that backpack, and as they get in, they swing it, and it hits right there. Now, I do have paint protection film on this car, and I think that that is only into the film, not into the paint, but you'll notice there's definitely a pattern there, and I hit the handle now and then too. So something to think about when you're trying to decide whether or not you want to bother. Remember that when they get in, they're going to sweep right past that with those big backpacks. And you're going to end up with scratches there. So instruct them to take their backpacks off before they get in the car, or you will only have a scratch-free car if it's very, very small and on a shelf.